Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to archive your multiple files. First of all, go to any browser, type in rarlab.com. Here is the WinRAR supported language. Choose which language you want. I will choose English. Click here and select Downloads folder. After downloading, go to the Downloads folder. Install the application. Select Install. Click OK. Now go to the files you want to archive. Select them by holding your left click of the mouse. Then right click. WinRAR. Add to archive. You can select RAR or zip format. I will select RAR. Click OK. And it's done. Thank you for watching.